It took me 30 years to learn these handy tricks for the refrigerator. 1. If your refrigerator has accumulated a thick layer of ice, unplug it and prepare a large basin of hot water. Place it inside the refrigerator, close the door, and wait for 10 minutes. The ice will easily come off with a gentle touch. 2. The refrigerator seal can easily develop mold, which can be harmful to your health. In a bowl, pour some alcohol and dip a paper towel in it. Wrap the damp paper towel around an unwanted card and wipe the seal back and forth. This will effortlessly remove dirt and leave it looking like new. 3. If the refrigerator seal becomes aged and loses its tightness, use a hairdryer to blow hot air on it for a few minutes. This will help restore its sealing ability, allowing you to use it for another 30 years. For if your refrigerator has accumulated stagnant water and unpleasant odors due to lack of cleaning, prepare a thin steel wire and insert it into the drain hole to unclog it. Then, open the back cover, remove the water collection tray, soak it in clean water for 5 minutes, wash it thoroughly, and place it back in its original position. 5. Here's a trick to eliminate dirt and grime from your refrigerator. Mix warm water with white vinegar and dish soap. Dip a towel into the solution and use it to powerfully remove stains. 6. To keep your refrigerator odor-free for 3 years, place a cup inside with a mixture of tea leaves, white wine, baking soda, and white vinegar. Add some water, and the unpleasant odor will disappear. Follow me to learn more life hacks and tips.